Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, check out a link down below. I offer a 4-part series that I'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. One great thing about the futures is they're open essentially around the clock, 23 hours a day, 6 days a week, and there's no pattern day trade rule. So you need very little capital to have unlimited day trades, and you can basically trade them around the clock. So those many other reasons why they're great, but those are a couple of key primary ones. And then I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? You can check out the link up above and to learn more. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if you want to learn more on that, then check out that link up above. So market's about to open up here. And when I say that, I mean the stock market, because the futures market kind of picks up another level once the stock market opens. But because, again, it's open pretty much around the clock, I'm actually starting up 446. These trades were from, quote unquote, last night. But again, like I said, the market's open essentially around the clock. Excuse me. It is closed on Saturdays, but so I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I am looking, for a long here potentially. Move down. Now it's showing me power to the upside. But trying to let things chill out a little bit. Big opening range. Like I said, when this New York Stock Exchange opens at 9:30 a.m. Eastern, things get pretty wild. Just trying to let things settle down for now. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, looking for a potential long here. Going to start small. I was hoping it'd come down a little bit more, and then that fast it bounced back up. So, well, on that one, never mind. All right, maybe a potential opportunity to try to get short here now as it comes back up within what I would consider still an overall downtrend here. But want to see it come up a bit more. All the way back down. All right, this morning is a challenge. The good news is still plenty of time left, so no need to rush anything. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, maybe here. Again, starting small. Okay, in there for my opening allotment. Just very small, though, so I can give myself plenty of flexibility. Let's see what it wants to do. Added in another one, so I'm at 2. And still very, very small size. And there we go. So it took out that right there. Hi, buddy. My son's out there. So we're starting small. Just if you're right pretty quickly, you're not going to make a whole lot. But the whole idea is to give yourself plenty of flexibility. Okay, I got to stop talking. Let's see if I can start over again. Yeah, that's fine. Again, we'll look to start the process over again, just starting small. And yes, if you do this, and in hindsight, if you get in and then like you nail the top, you'll be all upset that you only did one. But I don't think I'm going to nail the top. That's why I'm trying to give myself wiggle room here. All right, I'll pause. All right, pushing up. Go a little bit bigger at that yellow line here. I think if it can get up there, I'm going to start with 3 actually instead. If it gets up to that yellow line, which I think it's still plausible, but I said I don't want to rush anything. Just let it come to me. I mean, I'm already green on the day, so it's worst case scenario, I don't get filled, and I'm still walking away green. So that's the one nice thing when you start to get green. Not that you shouldn't always be picky, but you can start to be that much more picky. and that much more high maintenance with your plan or with your, you know, your entry points and all that. So yes, sort of a high maintenance entry point, but like I said, if I don't get it, oh well, I'm still up, you know, a decent chunk. All right, I'll pause. Whoa, that was nuts. Yeah, I didn't catch it on video, but it was pulling back and then it shot all the way down there. Whoa, what was up with that? Bummer. Wish I was recording. That was crazy. Okay, I'm long, just one. Okay, again, just took off those gains. It went in my favor enough. But when you start with one, it is what it is. Wow, all the way. That is a wild candle here. All right, I'll pause. All right, getting some movement back up. I am watching that yellow line. Once again, see if the price can get up there. I'm not going to do 3 anymore like I was earlier. All right, I'll pause when I'm watching it very closely. Okay, here we go, maybe. Whoops, bounced right off of it. Let's see if we can get back up there. I hesitated. There we go. Okay, now I'm in. Just that opening allotment. Okay, out there for a small little win. Wants to head back up. Once again, I'll just start the process over again. I know. This is so boring. I get it. Sometimes, but this is reality. If you want, just go back to the playlist. There are some crazy ones too. And who knows, maybe this one turns crazy because this is truly live. This is not a voiceover. I don't know what happens next. I have no idea. I'm recording my voice in real time, giving these thoughts. Yes, but that's how this strategy works sometimes. If you're not able to build, then it kind of is what it is. But like I said, just check out the playlist and you'll see some maybe a little bit more entertaining ones, but at the same time, this is the reality of trading. Some days you're just going to have like, okay, that was a winning trade, but I started small, therefore I didn't make a whole lot. Okay, here we go. Approaching that white line. In. Again, just starting small. So again, just had to take it out for the small gain. I can start the process over again though. So if it pops back up, that white line is the high of the day. So the price can never get above that white line. It'll just push the white line higher. A little bit more. Okay, and again. I was able to add in another one there. So right there, another little scalp. So we can start the process over again. At this point, not even necessarily if the candle has to, we'll see how this candle closes, but. So yeah, just slow and steady. Sometimes this is how it goes. The gains do add up, but sometimes not really in an explosive fashion. If you've seen other videos, yes, there's one I know It was like $2,000 in less than 5 seconds. But today has just not been one of those days. I really wish I could tell you that every single day, just show up, expect to make $2,000 in 5 seconds, but that's not the reality. All right, here we go, maybe. I'll start up there if the price wants to make another push. Be my first entry point. Got close. A little bit more now. Clay, why don't you just get long? I mean, I agree in hindsight, but like right now, getting long here seems like a total chase. It seems like FOMO and just chasing the price. But yes, FOMOing and chasing would have worked quite nicely throughout this entire move. But unfortunately, right now, I don't have hindsight in my favor, so I don't know. Is this going to continue or not? I'm going to move this up a little bit more. Might be interested in a pullback down to... I'll buy one. I'll start. Okay. First entry point at the green line here. Try to buy this pullback here. Hopefully it's a pullback. If it's a full-blown reversal, it will be painful. All right, I'll pause. Wow, and all the way back up it goes. Alrighty then. In hindsight, I suppose I should have just left my order right there, huh? All right, I'll pause. All right, this one's starting to look like it wants potentially run out of, well, as I say that, it pushes up to new highs. I'm going to try a short here if it comes down to that red line. Just does seem like it's maybe running out of energy, but never mind. Now it's pushing higher. All right. Yeah. I don't think it'd come back down, but maybe it's going to come back down to that red line. Only interested, like I said, if I can get filled at that red line. Cancel that out now. All right, this one is just, I don't know. I guess it's kind of just one of these things where unfortunately these mornings happen. And I mean, I'm making money. I don't want to come across as ungrateful, but yeah, this is has just been more of a challenge here. But yeah, unfortunately these mornings do happen. Yeah. Oh, it's coming back down. I mean, it just all over. Maybe you're watching this and saying, well, Clay, what about this? What about that? And for your strategy, for your chart vision, props to you. But for me, this has just been, yeah, just obviously, not the smoothest of mornings. I'm starting to get a little irritated and frustrated, if I'm being honest with myself. Yeah, I think I'm just going to call it good for the health of my account. I'm just going to call it good for now. Before I go, though, I do want to invite you, and maybe this sounds a little like, dude, why would I ever want to sign up for a free class of yours? Like, that was garbage. I get it, but like I said, check out the playlist, look at other videos, but again, also look at it from just a transparency and look at it as a realism standpoint. Unfortunately, in reality, you're going to have these sorts of mornings. Doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong per se. That's just the nature of being a trader. But anyways, if you are a beginner trader struggling, I'd highly recommend you give this class a try, get signed up for it. Now, if you're a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, I'm not sure you'll really gain too much from it. So my confidence level isn't as high. But if you are a struggling trader or a beginner trader just getting started, my confidence level is actually very high that you'll gain some things to think about and consider in your trading journey. So go to claytrader.com/live or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So yeah, unfortunately, these mornings happen, but it is what it is. Thanks for hanging out. Take care.